Man, this is a bright new day. As you can see, we have a camel right here. Like, wow, this species went into extinction. Like, but we still have one in Hasho State here. We have one here. So this is a camel. This is a camel. We still have one here. Right there to be precise. So this is a camel. So this is the back view of the camel. The back view. As you can see, camel. As you can see, it's looking at me. So this is a camel. Wow. This is a big damn camel. Like, it's so beautiful. Like a cute damn self. Love this camel. God is looking at me. I'm scared. I'm serious. I'm scared. I'm scared. This is a camel. Anyways, you guys can subscribe to our channel so that you're gonna have more videos of camel to watch and other animals also. This is the animal kingdom. Thank you.